What up, what up? It's your boy Striker back with another video. So I was trying to do the ape hanger install on the bike. Well, I had a buddy do it. Got everything on there pretty good. Except for one major deal. I put everything back together, put the gauge cluster down, go to turn the center to start the bike, and my lights turned on the first time, but no gauges were powered and my touchscreen didn't come on. So then I click this button so I can start it, and then I went to start it and I got nothing. Basically didn't work. I have it on the tender over there. I don't know if when I was doing these bars, since I didn't disconnect the battery, it got drained, or I looked at the 50 amp fuse on the other side and it looks pretty good. As far as I can tell, it doesn't look obviously blown or anything, so. And my little underglows still come on, whether the bike is on the tender or not. So your boy is a little confused. No video I watched had a warning or, hey, don't do this or else your bike won't turn on. I checked all the connections, made sure everything was pushed in. It's pushed in. I unconnected all the connections and looked at the pins to make sure they weren't broken. They're not broken or anything. Yeah, don't know what's going on with the old Road Glide here. Was super excited to ride it with the new handlebars, and I'm just kind of getting denied. So yeah, if you have any comments or you have any idea why it's not running, or if this has happened to you, please hit me up in the comments section. Let me know what happened. I think next I will probably try to maybe disconnect the battery, see if that helps. Probably charge it overnight, see if that does anything. On a side note, the freaking quad lock does not fit on the meat hooks. They're just too thick, so I had to put the dang thing down there. But yeah, you know, there's only 3 plugs, and 2 are dummy plugs on the cluster there, so there's no reason that that shouldn't be lighting up for sure. I'm just kind of dumbfounded right now. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, if you have any tips or anything that you have had happen to you before that you might be able to tell me about, let me know. Till next time, I'd really like to not take it to Harley. Peace.